Look who I'm with, the family. And today we were just planning on eating the Korean corn dogs, but before we wanted a snack, so we came to get crab and crawfish. We're getting hot dogs! Yay! Excuse me, give me a kiss. Thank you.
This one, number 5.
Perfect, thank you. Sausage. Okay, ready? This is the all mozzarella dog and we got sugar on it. You want to take a bite? Here, I'll take the first bite. It's not cheesy. Okay?
Nope, yes it was.
That's a lot of mozzarella.
Oh my god.
And oh!
It's funny.
Try to get the best, like...
It's like, I want more.
Wow. Take a bite. Take a bite. Take a bite. Take a bite, Elliot. I want to get the crunch.
Hey, it shows monster.
Oh my.
Oh, look, there you go.
Oh yeah.
But oh yeah. We also got this one. It just has meat inside, so it's not as cool. The sugar is so good on it. Well, that was the end. That was a lot of fun. Right, Elliot? If y'all like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified. Ding!
But wait! There's more!
Nope, yes it was.
A lot of mozzarella.
Oh my god.